Okay, guys, you may or you may not have heard of this before, but we're going to talk about best fitting lines. And a best fitting line is a line that lies as close as possible through all the points that we've plotted. It's like an average of all the points that we've plotted. Okay? Now, in this one, they give us some information. I'm going to show you what we're doing here. It says the table shows the number of female physicians in the United States for the years 1992 through 1999. And when we look at it, right, the years they have in the graph years since 1992. All right, so this would be 1992. That's 0 years. This would be 93, 94, 95, right? Okay. And then they have the number of female physicians in thousands. Okay. Now A says approximate the equation of the best fitting line for the data. Well, let's look at this. Okay? If I take the data and I plot it, in this first year, right, it was 110. Let's see. Can I do a line break like that? Are you guys all right with that? Right? Because I don't need to start at 0, do I? It goes from 110 to 177. Do I need to know where 40 is? Right? So I am cutting this graph, and I'm going to let this line right here, let's let this be 100. Okay? Let's let this be, let's let it go up by, how much do we want to let it go up by each time? 20s? Let's let it go up by 20. So this is 120. This is 130. This is 140. This is 150. 160. 170. 180, 190. Okay. That's what. Come on. You serious? Oh, you know what? Let's do this then. Let's make this 110 and this 100, and then I'll just break the graph right there. Okay. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everybody happy with that? So 0 is at 110, so we'll put that right here. After 1 year, we've got 117. That's about right there. You're going to have to give me a little bit of a break because it's not exactly right. After 2 years, it's 125, so that's about right here. After 3 years, it's 140. Okay, so that's up here. Ooh, it jumped that year. After 4 years, it's 148. Okay. After 5 years, it's 158. After 6 years, it's 168. Whoa, it looks like it's going up by 10,000 each year. Or 100,000 each. No, 10,000 each year. Okay, and then in 7, it's 177. Okay? So that's just data that we've got. Right? Now I want to draw the best fitting line. If I'm going to do that, should it go down here? No. We're going to try and draw a line that goes through all of these points, sort of an average of them. Do you see how some of them are above it and some of them are below it? Right? It doesn't go straight through all of them, does it? Okay. How about right about there? Does that make sense? Yeah? Okay. Well, if that's the line of best fit, we need to write an equation for that line. Oh, it says write an equation. Y equals box X plus box. Does anybody see any information that I can go ahead and throw in there? I can already put something in my equation. HOM. What is the y-intercept? It's 110, right? That's where it crosses the y-axis, right there. Now I just need to find the slope. Okay? Well, it looks like it goes right through this point, and that's going to be 3 and 140. Right? And then it also looks like it goes, well, I don't know. Well, it goes through this point, doesn't it? Right? And that's going to be 0, 110. Can you find the slope? Remember, the slope is what? Rise over run. Can I use the picture to find it? How much do I rise between these 2 points, Alberto? Well, wait. I rise 30, right? From 110 to 140? And then how much do I run to get to this one?